Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show how to create a Facebook login bot with the help of Selenium and Python. Basically we use Selenium in order to perform any kind of automation task. For that we are using Selenium. First we need to install that. For that go to command prompt. Then here use this command pip install Selenium. And it says like requirement already satisfied, which means I already installed that. That's why. Then coming to the program, you need to know one more thing. That is, you need to install Chrome driver, and you need to specify the Chrome driver path here. For that, kindly please refer my previous video, because you will get a clear idea about what is Chrome driver and how to set this path. For that you need to refer my previous video. It's a very easy one. Okay, go through it. Then coming to the next line, driver dot maximize window. Okay, basically whenever I am performing automation task, the first thing the program will do is it will open the Google Chrome automatically. Okay, so example, it will open like this, but it is like this minimized position. Okay, while opening the Google Chrome automatically, it is like this position. What I am going to do is I am going to convert that minimized position into maximized position like this. Okay, in order to view clearly, for that I am using this command driver.maximize window. Then I'm going to log in into a Facebook. For that we need to access that website. If you want to access any website, means you need to use this command driver.get command. Inside that you need to specify what website you are going to access. In my case, I am going to access facebook.com. In your case, you can access any website with the help of this driver.get command. Okay, that's all about these things. And for these things you need to first go through our web page. For that basic HTML knowledge is enough to understand the logic behind that. First you need to open the inspect element screen. For that use Ctrl Shift I, or else you can use go to this setting and here more tools, and you can see developer tools here. Open this, then the developer screen will open. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a robot or bot. It will type the email automatically, and it will type the password automatically, and it will log in automatically. Okay, for that first the robot need to understand the where is this email box, and where is the password box, and where is the login button. Okay, for that every box has some unique ID as well as some unique names. You can use any one of this to access that box. Okay, so I will show that. See, first I am going to click this box. It has one unique ID called email, and also it has unique ID as pass. Okay, both pass has different keywords. You can see that for password box it has ID as pass, and for email box it has ID as email. With the help of this ID only, the robot can identify this box. Okay, you need to specify these ID in your program. Okay, you can see the ID here. Here I mentioned the ID name, and you need to specify the method here. I said earlier there are multiple methods to access that box. Mostly programmer will prefer this ID method only. You can also use this name method also. See, here name is available. So if you are using this name, means you need to specify the name here. You need to replace this ID by name, but I am going to use ID only because this is the easiest way to access that boxes. And next, one more thing, I want to access this button also, right? In order to click this login automatically, then click here, and it is also having some unique ID. You can see here the ID will be login button, right? So I'm going to type that in my program login button, and I specified the ID method. Okay, that's all. Then what I am going to do, after identifying these boxes, we need to provide some input like our email address and our password, right? For that, we are using one basic syntax called send keys. Okay, so basically this will type whatever things you entered here. Example, here I mentioned like 96 my phone number, and it will type that phone number in this here. Okay, and it will type the password in my password box. Then finally I need to click this, right? For that I am using .click function. Okay, with the help of this it will automatically click the login button and it will show my Facebook screen. By running this program, I am not going to do anything. Example, I am not going to give my email address, or I am not going to give or type my password, and I am not going to click that login button. It will completely automated with the help of this program. You can see this to run this program. Okay, now everything is automated. First, it will be opening the minimized state, then it will be converted to maximized state. See, then it will automatically type everything and it will automatically log in. Okay, that's all. This is my Facebook login bot. Okay, I created this with the help of Python. Okay, you can also create your own bot with the help of these kind of logic. And if you have any queries or any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I will clear that. And thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.